Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about the translation and the mechanism of translation. What is the meaning of translation? In the RNA, they can synthesize the protein, that is known as the translation. So how this translation it is occur, that is known as the mechanism of translation. So mainly protein needed to synthesis in our cell, it is depending upon the ribosome. Ribosome is one of the cell organelle. So this ribosome binds along with the RNA molecules, then they can translate and synthesize the protein that we have discussed. The ribosomes, it is present in the in a prokaryotes, it is present in the 70S ribosomes. Then in a eukaryotes, it is present 80S ribosomes. Then the ribosomes are divided into smaller subunits and larger subunits. That fully we have discussed in the last class. So how this translation is occur? Then the mRNA, then they can bind with the adapter, that is the charged tRNA molecule. Then that tRNA molecule have an anticodon, that mRNA have a codon. So when the codon and anticodon it is present in the complementary base pairs, then they can move growth of the, they can produce the peptide bonds. Then it is helpful for the growth of the polypeptide chain. That we have discussed in the last class. Now we are going to discuss about the regulation of gene expression. So previous we have studied, we can have in a doubt how the genes are present inside the DNA, or DNA is organized into the gene. How the DNA is organized into the gene, or how the genes are stored the genetic information, how this information is expressed. We have a doubt. Now we have for most of the fundamental issues in the molecular genetics. Okay, what is the most of the issues are present in the molecular genetics? How the genetic expression is regulated. Already we know that gene only it is responsible to express the character. Okay, gene only it is responsible to express the character. That genes are located inside the chromosomes. That chromosomes are present inside the DNA. That fully we have discussed. Okay, so now we have a doubt how this genetic information, that is the character, it is expressing. How that expression it is regulated. Okay, correctly how it is regulated. Before in 11th standard we have studied regulation of excretion, regulation of digestion, regulation of respiration, regulation of circulation, like that we have discussed in last year. So like that gene it is responsible to express the character. So how this process it is regulated, that we have a doubt. Now we are going to discuss about the regulation of gene expression. Okay, that expression of the character by the gene, how it is regulated, that we are going to discuss now. Okay, so the evidence in support of the idea that genes can be turned on and off is very conveniencing. So the scientists they have idea. So what idea? The genes if want to express the character they can express, or no need they can switch off, switch on. So like that. So that a gene can be turned on and off is very conveniencing. Okay, regulation of gene expression has been extensively studied in prokaryotes.